This is sure on the Tefilla. We got to Lezion. We are toward the end of the Lezion. On that we say Baruch Elukenu shebranu echvodu v'dom atiyim v'tanu tzat-emet v'chayulam v'tat b'tchem. Yes, Hashem, blessed is our God that He created us lichvodo in His glory, and He separates us from all of the toim. What does toim mean? Who go astray, who that they wander. They don't find the emet, truth. And Hashem gave us that emet, and the life, eternal life, He implanted among us. Who opens our heart to Torah and put His Ahava Virah Torah that should do His will, who also believe Shalom, and we should serve Him with a complete heart. Therefore, here we start this section. We say Shabbat Hashem created us for Lichvodo. Now it's very interesting that the Navi says that HaKadosh Baruch Hu created everything for Lechvodo v'Lishmi. HaKadosh Baruch Hu created everything for His honor and His kavod. But on the other hand, we find out that HaKadosh Baruch Hu created everything for Chesed, kindness to the period, creatures. In other words, Ramchal explains, Mekubalim explain that whatever that Hashem created to do hatava to period. In other words, what was the purpose of the creation? The purpose of the creation is to do good to other people, to be good to other people. But on the other hand, we find Chazal, sixth paragraph, Hakol bara lechvodi. Hakol, HaKadosh Baruch Hu created everything for His honor. Now, how is it? Is it for His honor, or is it to do hatava to the creatures? Which one is that? Now, the first one explain that really HaKadosh Baruch Hu created the world not for Himself. Created the world for the Nivron, that they should be Nehenet from they should be Hana, from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to be Metive, to the all of the period. Now, the Terech of Hatava, Ramchal explains to us that why is it the of the choice that we should have? No, but Lichvodo created everything. Lichvodo means the vessel, the way to get to that Hatava is to recognize and to understand the honor of Hashem. In other words, if HaKadosh Baruch Hu is honorable for you, you honor Hashem, you understand the greatness of Hashem, then you try to be tavuch to Him, try to join Him. And through that, gets the real Hatava. The Hatava is joining to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now, if somebody doesn't understand the greatness of Hashem, doesn't understand how good HaKadosh Baruch Hu is, the Father of Rachamim, therefore he doesn't want to join to Him, he doesn't want to listen to Him, doesn't want to do His Torah mitzvot. Therefore, he will not get the final goal that HaKadosh Baruch Hu has from His creation. Hashem wants from His creation that the purpose is to do Metive to them, to do Hatov. Now, what's the greatest good that HaKadosh Baruch Hu could do to these new creatures? It's the Baruch, because He offers Himself to them, to join them, to become one. That's the greatest. In other words, once we have Hashem, we have everything. If we have everything, we don't have Hashem, we got nothing. The HaKadosh Baruch Hu is giving us in His Beriah, His creation, Himself. He offers Himself. That's Olam Haba. Olam Haba is joining HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now, how is it the way to join Him? To understand His greatness, understand His honor, right? In other words, for example, if we tell you that you have to work for someone. Now, if that person is a very low-based person, he doesn't have dignity, he doesn't look good, he's not famous, you don't feel good about it, then it's very hard to motivate yourself to work for it. You don't want to associate with it. There's nobody, nothing. How should I associate with it? But if you understand the greatness of Him, you understand how much He cares for you, you understand He's like a Father of mercy for you. You understand He loves you more than you love yourself. And He deals with you, and He loves you, and takes care of you, and provides everything for you. Once we understand that, then we love to connect. We love to be one. Therefore, the honor and the purpose of the Verut both come at the same time, same torch. Therefore, their purpose and the purpose is that we should join HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now, how is the way? The way is to understand the honor of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, kavod of Hashem. Hashem is melech kavod, melech of honor. Once we honor Him, we understand Him, the greatness, we understand what He does for us, what He stands for us, and what He plans for us. Whatever that He does is for our tova and for our goodness. once we feel like that, then that makes it easier for us to be obeying him, to keep Torah mitzvot, and the purpose of the world would be mekuyam through that.